Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restore your account if you forgot your password on Discord. So firstly, you need to open up Discord official website. Okay, go into this link and then press on login. Alright, and after that you will just need to enter your email or phone number first. So it's going to be right here in the first field. And then move this here. You can look right below the password box and click that blue forgot your password key. There you go, this link. So firstly, of course, don't forget to insert your email. Okay, I will just use my own. So forgot password. And then as you can see, Discord will instantly send a secure reset link to your inbox. If you use the phone number, keep an eye out for a 6-digit SMS code instead. And then let us navigate to our email. Alright boys, and as you can see now, I have this new message from Discord. So as you can see, hey, and then your name. And as you can see, you can click the link below to log in into your Discord account. And the same way, you can also, if you forgot your password, you can also reset it. Simply the same way. And then you just are logged in automatically. And then you will have a fresh window where you will have to type in your new password twice. So just make sure that it's the same in both fields. And also don't forget, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter your code from your Authenticator app right after the reset to confirm it's really you. So that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy using Discord, stay in touch, and thank you for watching.